Hello, Customer Success Universe. My name is Deidre Williams, and welcome back to my series, Star Trek, Boldly Going, where few customer success leaders have gone before, but where more should in 2025. In this series, we explore how the legendary crew of the Starship Enterprise embodies the prime directives of customer success and how we can apply their wisdom to navigate today's customer success journey. If you've missed previous transmissions, subscribe to my YouTube channel or stay on course with my LinkedIn newsletter. Today's mission tackling one of the most persistent challenges facing customer success leaders, data management, through the lens of one of my favorite Star Trek original episodes, Dagger of the Mind. In this episode, the crew of the Enterprise visits a penal colony where a so-called neutralizer is being used to control behavior by erasing memories. It looks advanced, even benevolent, but it's actually dangerous. It wipes out truth, creates confusion, and corrupts decision making. Sound familiar? That's what happens when CS teams rely on fragmented, inaccurate, or ungoverned data. When your systems don't talk to each other, when CRM data lives in one galaxy, product data in another, and customer feedback is floating somewhere in deep space, your entire organization is flying blind. Here's the real world version of that neural neutralizer effect. Many CS organizations think they're data driven, but they're actually operating in data chaos. They've got reports, dashboards, and metrics, but no shared visibility, no standard definitions, and no unified truth. And when data can't be trusted, leaders can't make confident decisions. A recent Tech Radar study found that 34% of companies lose revenue due to fragmented or misaligned data systems. And according to Vitally, only 7% of companies actually track a full, multidimensional customer health score that includes usage, engagement, and advocacy metrics. So when your customer data isn't unified, you can't see churn risk coming. You can't identify expansion signals, and you can't show the C suite how customer success drives revenue. In Dagger of the Mind, that neural neutralizer tool seemed like innovation, but in reality, it distorted truth and blinded people using it. That's exactly what happens when we rely on ungoverned or incomplete data in customer success. The dashboards might look sleek, but the insights are off. Your crew, sales, product, customer success, and support each act on their own version of reality. And that's when chaos begins: misalignment, miscommunication, and missed renewals. As Captain Kirk discovered, sometimes the only way to save the ship is to turn off the device that's clouding your judgment and rebuild clarity from the ground up. So, what can we learn from this as customer success leaders? Here's the Starfleet Command playbook for conquering the data management challenge. First, unify the bridge view. Integrate your CRM, product usage data, support tickets, and community signals into a single shared console. Your team should all be looking at the same main viewer. Two, define your data taxonomy. Make sure everyone knows what each metric means. What defines an active user? How do you measure adoption? Without shared definitions, you're flying without coordinates. Three, activate insights. Don't just report them. When your health score dips, don't just note it, act on it. Automate playbooks for executive check ins, ROI reviews, and renewal plans. Four, govern for data integrity. Regularly clean, refresh, and audit your data sources. Your database should be as stable as the enterprise's work core. Five, align the crew. Ensure that sales, product, CS, and finance use the same dashboards and success metrics. When everyone operates from a single mission log, you move from reaction to prediction. If your organization's data feels like a neutralizer, numbing insight and clarity, it's time to take back command. Audit your data in data landscape, unify your systems, and embed data literacy into your culture, from your frontline CSMs all the way to the C-suite. When you empower your teams with clean, shared, and actionable data, you unlock what every Starfleet captain strives for. Predict the unpredictable. Predict the unpredictable. Protect the crew, and boldly go towards sustainable revenue growth. Thanks for watching this transmission from the Customer Success Revenue Frontier. If you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe, share with your crew, and join me for the next time as we continue exploring the new frontiers of customer success leadership. Until then, live long and prosper for customer success. Thank you.